you have here is a brand new drive shaft. Here's the part number on the build date, September 27th. This fits a 2007 Grand Cherokee WK. This is an $855 drive shaft. You can't replace the U-joints because they're staked in. I don't know whose idea it was to put in a non-replaceable U-joint in a car that's meant to go off-road. But I bit the bullet and I bought this drive shaft because mine went bad. This drive shaft has been in my car exactly 5 days. It's a brand new build of a drive shaft. It's not remanufactured. It's a brand new build. It's brand new aluminum. It started making creaky noises and vibrate, and also some vibrations. Felt like a bad wheel bearing, but I took it off. Here, this is the front end of it. That U-joint in that direction's fine. And this U-joint is completely seized. The U-joint in this direction is completely seized. You can go to the back. Once again, U-joint good. This U-joint is completely seized in this direction. Completely stiff. Non-workable. So $855, and I get a completely defective part. Completely defective drive shaft. I mean, it can't get any worse. So, it's unbelievable.